Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Cup Captain is probably one of the most essential accessories for any vehicle owner who enjoys a beverage on the go, ensuring your drinks stay upright and spill-free, no matter the road conditions. This pack of 2 cup holders is designed to provide a secure and convenient solution for keeping your coffee, soda, or water within easy reach, preventing messy accidents and enhancing your driving experience. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just running errands, the Cup Captain aims to be your reliable co-pilot for all your hydration needs. Number 5. 7 Sparta Car Cup Holder Expander, 2-pack. Introducing the 7 Sparta Car Cup Holder Expander, designed to fit most car console cup holders. Its expandable base ensures a snug fit in various vehicles, from cars to boats. Tired of spills? Our cup holder features a robust design with rubber tabs that grip your bottles tightly, preventing tipping and spills even on bumpy rides. This holder is perfect for your oversized thermoses and popular wide-mouth bottles, fitting diameters from 3.4 to 3.8 inches. It can even hold most large fast food cups. Easily insert or remove your drinks with its thoughtful design. The deep base provides excellent stability for your water bottles and other containers. Please note, it's not recommended for cup holders deeper than 1.8 inches, those with raised edges, or square shapes. Check compatibility with your specific vehicle's cup holder design. Specifically designed to accommodate popular brands like Hydro Flasks and Yeti Ramblers, it securely holds your favorite 32 to 40 ounce and 20 to 30 ounce bottles. What we like. This option offers a highly adjustable base, ensuring a snug fit in a wide range of vehicle cup holders. It's designed to accommodate popular large bottles like Hydro Flasks and Yetis. If you have a vehicle with a slightly non-standard cup holder size or are looking for a secure fit for your favorite oversized water bottle, this is a great choice. What people say. It holds my 30-ounce Yeti Rambler perfectly. It fits in my cup holder and doesn't move around. The design is great and it's very sturdy. Number 4. Swigzy Patented Car Cup Holder Expander. Introducing the Swigzy Car Cup Holder Expander, the perfect solution for securely holding your large water bottles. It's designed to fit a variety of popular brands and sizes. Our patented and upgraded design ensures a stable fit. Choose between our standard or long base version to perfectly match your car's cup holder. With an adjustable base, it expands to fit diameters from 2.6 to 3.8 inches. This versatile adapter works in most vehicles, including golf carts, UTVs, boats, and RVs. Featuring proprietary retaining tabs, inserting and removing your bottles is a breeze. You can trust it to stay securely in place without pulling out. Its unique offsetting base adapts to different cup holder setups, preventing obstruction of adjacent holders. This allows for the convenient use of 2 adapters side by side. Crafted from premium materials, this cup holder enlarger is built to last. It's designed to withstand even the most demanding driving conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. What we like. Featuring a patented design with an offsetting base, this adapter is engineered to prevent blocking adjacent cup holders, allowing for side-by-side use. Its premium materials promise durability and a secure hold even in rugged conditions. If you often need to use both cup holders or prioritize a robust, long-lasting solution, this one is worth considering. What people say. The Cup Captain Cup Holder 2-pack is a great addition to any vehicle, providing a secure and stable place to hold your drinks. It's easy to install and fits most cup holders, making it a versatile option for various car models. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, blending well with the car's interior without taking up too much space. Number 3. 7 Sparta Upgraded Car Cup Holder Expander. Introducing the upgraded cup holder expander from 7 Sparta. Its innovative offsetting base maximizes space, allowing you to use 2 cup holders side by side without interfering with your car's controls. This adapter is designed to fit most wide bottles and mugs with diameters between 3.5 and 4 inches. It's perfect for your favorite large water bottles and tumblers. The expandable base securely fits most car cup holders, ranging from 2.5 to 3.75 inches in diameter. It's compatible with a wide variety of vehicles, including cars, trucks, and boats. Built with solid, thick plastic and featuring rubber tabs, it holds your drinks firmly in place. You can drive with confidence, knowing your beverage won't tip or spill. The design includes a large slot for easy removal of your cup. Its deep base provides excellent balance, ensuring your water bottle stays upright. What we like. This upgraded version boasts an offsetting base specifically designed to maximize space, making it ideal for use alongside gear shifters or other console elements. It's tailored for larger bottles and mugs with a diameter between 3.5 and 4 inches. If you have a larger beverage container or need to ensure clearance around your car's controls, this adapter offers a smart solution. What people say. The Cup Captain Cup Holder 2-pack is a great addition to any vehicle, keeping your drink secure and within easy reach. These cup holders are designed to fit most car cup holders, providing a stable and reliable place for your beverages. The durable construction ensures that these cup holders will last for years to come, making them a worthwhile investment for any driver. Number 2. Better Boat 4-pack Folding Drink Holders. Never worry about spills again. Our holders keep your drink secure, even in rough waters. Simply adjust the arms to fit your container and click them into place. These holders are designed to fit cans, bottles, tumblers, and mugs up to 3.75 inches wide. The arms adjust easily for a perfect fit every time. When not in use, these holders fold flat against the wall, saving valuable space. They set up or fold away in seconds, no tools required. Built to withstand UV exposure, moisture, and salt air, these holders are perfect for outdoor use. They are designed to last in various environments. Available in 5 different colors, you can choose the perfect match for your boat or RV interior. Blend them in seamlessly with your decor. Mounting is a breeze with the included stainless steel screws. They can be attached to boat walls, RV cabinets, dock posts, and more. What we like. This set is perfect for marine and outdoor environments, featuring a folding design that saves space when not in use. Its weather-resistant construction means it can handle moisture and UV exposure without issue. If you're looking to secure drinks on a boat, RV, or any outdoor setting where mounting space is limited and durability is key, these holders are an excellent pick. What people say. The cup holder is designed to fit most car cup holders and features a non-slip base to prevent spills. It's adjustable to accommodate different cup sizes, from small cans to large water bottles. The durable construction ensures it can withstand daily use without breaking. Number 1. Skywin Large Cup Holder Organizer, 2-pack. Tired of drinks not fitting? This holder is designed to accommodate even your largest tumblers, mugs, and coolers. It's perfect for those oversized cups that never seem to fit anywhere else. Install it wherever you need it most. Use it in your car, truck, boat, or RV. It screws on easily, keeping your drinks organized and secure in any location. Built to last, this holder is made from heavy-duty stainless steel. It resists rust and bending, ensuring it remains a reliable companion for your beverages, indoors or out. Keep your drinks steady, no matter the journey. Its strong design securely holds heavy bottles and cups, preventing spills and wobbles during travel or motion. Need a quick sip? The open L-shaped slot allows for effortless one-handed access. You can grab or place your cup with ease, without any spills. Looking for a practical gift? This stylish organizer is perfect for travelers, boaters, or anyone who appreciates smart design and functionality. It's a travel essential they'll love. What we like. Constructed from heavy-duty stainless steel, this holder is built for longevity and resistance to rust, making it ideal for demanding environments. Its spacious interior easily accommodates very large tumblers and bottles, and it requires a screw mount for secure installation. If you need a permanent, robust solution for a boat, truck, or RV and have oversized drinkware, this durable option is a top contender. What people say. This cup holder is a game-changer for my boat. It keeps my drinks secure and within easy reach, even in rough waters. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly in my car's cup holder. It doesn't rattle or move around, which is a huge plus. I love how versatile this cup holder is. I can use it for my coffee mug in the morning, my water bottle at the gym, and even my soda can at the movies. It's a great value for the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.